I'm gonna do Visnu next, because again, I haven't answered one from Visnu yet. Visnu said, "Hi, Stefan. In connection with Ismail's question regarding the 2.5 monthly retainer, how do you actually measure the ROI on the client's end? Do you have to manage your list, email sendouts, and see which ones click and buy the product?" Yeah, I mean, ideally, Visnu, you'd be able to get data from them. You'd be like, hey, I need, part of my agreement is like, I'm doing this retainer. I also, need access to your, your email platform, so I can have data, so I can see the open rates, the click-through rates, conversion rates, stuff like that. So I would just ask them for it. That would be ideal. That doesn't mean you have to now manage their email list and send out the emails yourself and all that, because if you don't know what you're doing there, you may not want to do that right now. But you can ask for access to stuff so you can play around and see. When I was really early on, I was doing it for, I had a client who had basically access to all of Gold's Gym's list. So I sent all those emails to Gold's Gym on behalf of my client. But I just went through and I figured out, I think we were just using like chimp mail or something like that at the time, but you had to go through, I could see the open rate, click-through rate, was able to kind of figure out what was doing well, what wasn't. I mean, it's not hard to see the stats in the email platform. So, and then the email platform, like today, maybe, I think from Get Response to Entreport, Active Campaign, whatever it is, like, it may not show you the revenue generated and sales and stuff like that. So they may be running a separate CRM that tracks that stuff. So you may have to, ask for access to that as well. But yeah, I would ask for access to that stuff too. I can help you to measure it. Alexander asked a quick question, so I'm gonna answer hers real quick. She said,